Hello traders, today is September 6th, Wednesday. I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of a day like today using our software and the opportunities that exist. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So on a day like today, you see the market going lower and lower and lower. This is a great time to look at selling the market, and not just now, but also previously. And I'm going to show you how we did that. So if I add the Atlas Line software here to the chart, we're going to look at the Atlas Line software now updated, and we can see that it was a short right from the get-go. The Atlas Line is telling us to go short at 40, let's take a look here, 44.8975. So as soon as the market began to move, this Atlas Line software gave a signal. Now it's important to enter as close as possible to the Atlas Line. We have a couple of rules, prove it stop, time-based stop, catastrophic stop, but in this case there was no problem at all with getting stopped out, entering at 40.4975. Now, as we continue to go and move lower, we have these additional strength and pullback trades. So what are the strength and pullback trades? These are additional signals, especially if the market doesn't turn around and go up. So now we have these additional signals, the strength trades and the pullback trades, and the Atlas Line software provides those for us. So the S's are indicating strength, this is indicating strength, strength, and this is a pullback. Now my favorite is actually a pullback instead of a strength trade. The strength trades typically, because of strength, they let us or give us an entry a little bit further away. I think that if you use them in conjunction with the entire picture, the strength trades are good, but the pullback trades are really good. So this pullback trade signal right here is fantastic. It's the new leg, the new journey as we head back down. So this is the Atlas Line for today. Now, with Mentorship, we don't just have the Atlas Line software, we have the whole suite of DayTradeToWin software, and that means that I'm not just using this, I'm also using the Trade Scalper. And when I add here the Trade Scalper, here, the Trade Scalper will give us the signals based on that particular method of price action. And we can see here there is a short signal, another short signal along with the Atlas Line, another short signal coinciding with the strength trade, another short signal, double wick short, another short signal here indicating also with strength. There's not a Trade Scalper signal with the pullback, so that's the Atlas Line telling us to go short. And now here we are once again with a double wick short as well as a short on the Trade Scalper. So this is a live market right now. These are signals. There's no long signals whatsoever. And earlier today I was trading the autopilot, and I actually turned off the long signals and I only turned on the short. And I'll show that video a little bit later when I upload it. So right now we have, using just the Atlas Line and using just the Trade Scalper together, we have only short opportunities. I'm going to just share with you one more thing, a little bonus. Those of you who have a free member account actually learned a method called the ABC method. And if you haven't already opted into DayTradeToWin.com and received a free member account, you can learn that method and download the software for free at DayTradeToWin.com. So the ABC method, I'm going to add this here to the chart. What it does is it breaks up the day very simply into 3 parts, and we include this software with Mentorship. The free member account is a trial, and now I'm going to, let me just change that color here, and now what we're seeing with the ABC method, the software, it's going to indicate that it's going to go lower. We're selling this market. All right, now we have the ABC software that is showing, and you can see that this is the A and this is the B, and you can pull this up on your chart as well. So this is a universal price action. There's nothing to configure. This is exactly what everyone has on their chart. So the ABC method gave a great little signal here to go short, 44.59. You can look at it on your charts, get the same exact results as I'm showing you here. And if you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class where we cover all of these different types of software together as one package, one complete program. Until next time, good trading. For the traders who really want to learn and understand price action trading, whether you trade stocks or the futures, subscribe to the YouTube channel DayTradeToWin. We also have a free member account available for all traders to download the news indicator and other software. And the next video is going to focus on scalping. So if you want to learn a little bit about scalping the markets, the next video is for you.